The extrusion market is growing and manufacturers are facing many challenges. Extrusion products are used in a variety of applications. It is important to understand the types of information required for printing. Let's take a look at some of the challenges that manufacturers face. With extrusion lines typically operating 24/7 with long production runs, stoppages become incredibly costly. Coding and marking technology must be fast and robust. When applying codes at high speeds, mark positioning, legibility and adhesion can become a challenge for manufacturers. Any production run changes mean technology must be able to jump nimbly between design specifications, selecting one set of coding requirements to the next. Some substrates are more demanding than others and require specialist ink types. These inks must adhere quickly, cleanly, and withstand post-production treatments. When it comes to extrusion lines, repeatability is key, requiring accuracy, reliability, and automation. So how can Domino Solutions help overcome these challenges? Domino's R&D chemists develop specialist inks for certain extrusion applications, including mech-free, fast-drying, solvent-resistant, aviation-approved, and many more. If you're adding kite marks, 2D barcodes, serial numbers, or branding to a product, Domino's smartphone UI provides intuitive message creation, and our laser offering increases your speed capabilities. Our expertise allows for project engineering and integration to specialist extrusion manufacturing layouts. For example, Quick Design, our label design coding automation software, allows you to centrally create, store, and control multiple messages, removing the risk of operational error. Our industrial offerings include product innovations, development support, with bespoke workshops dedicated to your specific requirements and substrate challenges. We also offer specialist extrusion printing solutions with custom accessories for all extrusion applications, as well as a laser coding station. Domino offers a range of extrusion solutions spanning your entire production line. Continuous Inkjet offers speed, accuracy, and the ability to perform in tough and varied environments. Our CO2 and fibre laser printers deliver crisp, clear codes onto a range of plastic materials and metals, offering incredible flexibility in terms of multiple lines of text, graphics, and 2D data matrix codes. The Domino GX series range is versatile, easy to integrate, easy to operate, for a range of printing applications and substrates. They are ideal not only for batch and date coding, but also complex code formats, check weighing, and track and trace applications across FMCG industries. Outer case printing offers quality, high-resolution printing of barcodes, late-stage customization, through to low-cost, self-install case coding. Our Pallet labeler is a robust, flexible, and automated solution for the final step in your production process. Quality labeling allows for optimum logistics for your manufactured goods. For more information on our extrusion solutions, please contact us.